Thursday, May 8th. We mapped it in the morning in the ESDaily Premarket game plan, 56.54 to 56.45, a demand shelf with key memory. Price flushed right into it, but we didn't bid the flush. We waited, structure confirmed, then came the acceptance, reversal, and reclaim. That was the trigger, long from 56.55, a textbook magnet reclaim, part of our core strategy. We scaled out with partials into 56.66, 56.74, and then at 57.15. Then we simply let the runner breathe. That's the job. Map the zone, let it flush, react with size and risk reduction in mind, not with hope. Then, take profits when they're due. This is key, and most traders unfortunately fail here. To join us and take more trades like the 56.55 long, go to esdaily.com and subscribe.